If you want to try real Curacaoan food, you have to come to Plasa Bieu. It's one of the places where you can try different types of real Curacaoan cuisine.
I'm Shady, a traveler and Curacao expert. Let me show you around. Eating at Plasa Bieu, or Old Market, will give one the experience of seeing the Curacao food culture in action. Locals and visitors all gather to enjoy some of the most authentic local dishes on the island. Menus include a vast choice of dishes. Anything from stew, fish, beans, pumpkin pancakes, or soup can be found here.
I've just placed my order and I ordered kadushi with punchi, kadushi is a sort of cactus and is served with all types of seafood.
Things at Plasa Bieu work just like a restaurant, except that you might have to share the table with others, something that I enjoy very much because it gives me the chance to interact with others. Don't expect anything fancy though. It really is a food market.
Okay, I got my food, so I'm gonna try it now. It is salty, tastes a little bit like spinach, filled with fish and other seafood, and all in all, delicious.
Food here is great and you get a lot of food for your money. Plasa Bieu is open from Monday to Saturday during lunch hours. For more about local Curacao cuisine, visit CuracaoVacationBlog.com.